Diane Phelan here with LATICRETE International, Product Manager for the STONETECH Surface Care line, and today I'm here to show you how to use STONETECH Enhancer Pro Sealer to protect and enhance pavers on a newly installed patio. STONETECH Enhancer Pro Sealer transforms the look of your surface by enhancing the deep, rich color without changing the finish and provides maximum stain protection. Great for interior and exterior use on porous natural stone, masonry, and grout. STONETECH Enhancer Pro Sealer is a penetrating, solvent-based sealer that lasts up to 5 years depending on wear. Always test in an inconspicuous area or a loose stone to ensure the desired look. Prior to use, make sure surface is dry for 24 to 72 hours and clean, free of waxes, coatings, and previous sealers. Here we're working with 2 different color pavers. The center of the patio uses pavers made up of a blend of colors, while the perimeter is a more uniform gray. STONETECH Enhancer Pro Sealer will provide a wet look and draw out the various colors in the stone. To get started, we're going to mask off any surface not intended to be treated. Then liberally apply an even coat of STONETECH Enhancer Pro Sealer using a paint pad, roller, brush, or pump-up garden sprayer. Do not use a power sprayer, towel, or sponge. For this application, we're working in small sections using a pump-up garden sprayer and back rolling using a saturated roller. Once applied, allow the sealer to penetrate for 15 to 20 minutes. Denser material may need more time. Do not allow excess sealer to dry on the surface, as it may result in residue that needs to be mechanically removed. Now, it's time to wipe down the surface with multiple dry cloths. For more absorbent surfaces or for a desired darker appearance, a second coat may be needed and should be applied 1 hour after the start of your initial application. Surface traffic can resume after just 6 to 8 hours, and in 24 to 72 hours, your surface will be fully cured. And there you have it. For more information, visit www.laticrete.com. Thanks for watching, and choose STONETECH for your next project.